Okay, this is a simple class in Java. Class name is student, having two data members as roll number and name. Accept method to accept the roll number and accept the name, and display function to do display the roll number and display the name. Now what I want to show over here is static. Now what is static data? Okay, so now if I make one object student S1, an object is made of the class S1, and S1 will have its roll number and will have its S name. If I make one more object, then over here student S2 equals to new student, and S2 dot accept, and I can have S2 dot display. Okay, so now I have one more object as S2. We will have a roll number, I will have its S name. So now if I enter over here 101 and Alice, and if I enter over here 102 and Ben, each student has its unique roll number and it has its own name. Now what static does is, static data, let's say if, I'll give an example of a home. Mother stays at the home, the father and a son. Dresses, each have their own. Mother has her pair of dresses, father has his pair of dresses, son has his pair of dresses. Mobile phone, mother has her mobile phone, father has his mobile phone, son has his mobile phone. What about the refrigerator, the fridge? Does mother have her own fridge at home, father has his own fridge, and son has his own fridge? No, that is shared by all the members of the house. That is what is static data. Data which is shared by all the objects. So the college name over here, string what? College name. So even Alice is in St. Mira's, and no, Ben cannot be in St. Mira's. Let's take someone else. Mamta. Okay, remove Alice and make Maheruk. So Maheruk also is in St. Mira's and Mamta also is in St. Mira's. So the college name is common to both of them. That I will make as static. So and only a single copy of the static data exists per class. So you'll have a college name, that is St. Mira's. So roll S1 will also have St. Mira's, S2 also has St. Mira's. If I have 1 million objects of this class, they all will have the same college name. That is called as static data. Data which is common to all the objects of the class is called as static data. And only a single copy of static data is maintained per class. Roll number, each object has its own copy. So if there are 1 million roll numbers, 1 million name, but there will not be 1 million college names. College name will be single. So only a single copy of static data is maintained per class. And there is a static function which operates on the static data. So if this is display function. So if I had a function over here, public static calculate. So in calculate, I can only access the college name because it is static. So static function can only display the college name. It cannot display roll number because it is not static. It cannot display name because it is not static. So static function can access only static data.